Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL WP23 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find the battery. As you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the battery percentage option, so all we can do is to simply tap on the switcher. And I'm not really sure if you can see it, but trust me, we've got the percentage inside the battery icon on the status bar. Unfortunately, it is the only way to show the battery percentage on the status bar, so it is, I would say, a little bit small, but it's still better than nothing. Of course, if you want to, you can turn off this option and leave only the battery indicator. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.